In this video, we show how to replace the right control panel in a PowerEdge R6725. Before working inside your system, read through and follow safety guidelines to protect your system from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the service manual at dell.com/support. To remove the right control panel, first disconnect the control panel cable from the HPM and then unroute it. Then remove the 3 screws securing the side cover. Then remove the cover. Then remove the 2 screws securing the right control panel in place. And make sure the cable's clear and then slide it out. To install the right control panel, slide it in to the system, making sure the cable is routed underneath, and then make sure it's all the way in. Then replace the 2 screws to secure it in place. Alright. Put the cables back down in there, and then replace the cable cover and replace the 3 screws. Then reroute the cable and reconnect it to the HPM. For more information or support about the PowerEdge R6725, visit dell.com/support.